Ever dream of lounging on a beach, sipping cocktails while money magically appears in your bank account? You're not alone. We all crave financial freedom without the grind. The good news? In 2025, it's more achievable than ever. The internet is a goldmine, and you don't need to be a tech whiz to cash in. We're talking about making money online, even if you're the laziest person on the planet. Yes, you read that right. Forget spending years learning complex skills. This is about leveraging what you already know and letting the internet do the heavy lifting. Ready to swap your boss for a beach? Let's dive in. We've all been there. Big dreams, but the motivation to learn new skills feels like climbing Mount Everest. Don't worry, you're not alone. The truth is, laziness can be your secret superpower. Think about it. Lazy people are masters at finding the easiest, most efficient way to do things. And in the online world, that's a recipe for success. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. So embrace your inner sloth and get ready to discover how to make money online without breaking a sweat. The traditional 9-to-5 grind can feel soul-crushing, right? Commuting, office politics, and a boss breathing down your neck? No thanks. Making money online throws all that out the window. Imagine this, working from your bed in your pajamas, setting your own hours, and being your own boss. That's the beauty of the online world. It's flexible, accessible, and perfect for those who value freedom and autonomy. Plus, the earning potential is limitless. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, the internet offers endless opportunities to get rich, all on your own terms. Okay, let's cut to the chase. In today's digital age, making money online has never been easier, even if you don't have any specialized skills or technical know-how. You don't need to be a coding wizard or a marketing genius to start earning from the comfort of your home, or even while you're out and about. How can you actually make money online without learning a lick of code or becoming a marketing guru? The internet is brimming with opportunities that cater to a wide range of interests and abilities. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, there's something out there for everyone. Here are a few ideas to get you started on your journey to financial freedom without the need for new skills. Get paid for your opinions. This is one of the simplest ways to make money online. Companies are dying to know what you think. Companies are dying to know what you think. By signing up for paid survey sites, you can share your thoughts on products and services and get compensated for it. It's a win-win situation. Sign up for paid survey sites and share your thoughts on products and services. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer cash or gift cards in exchange for your opinions. It's easy money for minimal effort. You can do it while watching TV, during your commute, or even while relaxing in the park. Cash in on your clutter. Another great way to make money online is by selling items you no longer need. Got a wardrobe full of clothes you never wear? Sell them online. Got a wardrobe full of clothes you never wear? Sell them online. Platforms like eBay, Depop, and Vinted make it super simple to turn your unwanted stuff into cash. Platforms like eBay, Depop, and Vinted make it super simple to turn your unwanted stuff into cash. You can also sell other items like electronics, books, and even handmade crafts. Become a virtual assistant. If you're organized and efficient, you can offer your services as a virtual assistant. This role involves helping busy entrepreneurs with tasks like scheduling, email management, and social media. Are you organized and efficient? Offer your services as a virtual assistant and help busy entrepreneurs with tasks like scheduling, email management, and social media. This job can be done from anywhere, making it perfect for those who love flexibility. Offer your services as a virtual assistant and help busy entrepreneurs with tasks like scheduling, email management, and social media. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to start offering your services. Unleash your inner critic. If you love sharing your thoughts on movies, books, or restaurants, you can become an online reviewer and get paid for your opinions. Love sharing your thoughts on movies, books, or restaurants? Become an online reviewer and get paid for your opinions. Websites like Yelp, Amazon, and TripAdvisor offer opportunities for you to share your reviews and earn rewards. Become an online reviewer and get paid for your opinions. You can also start your own blog or YouTube channel to review products and services and monetize it through ads and sponsorships. These are just a few examples of how you can start making money online today with no special skills required. The key is to find something that aligns with your interests and strengths, with no special skills required. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of online earning and discover the endless possibilities that await you. Section 5. Boost your earnings, simple strategies for maximum impact. In today's fast-paced digital world, finding effective ways to enhance your online income can be a game changer. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, these strategies can help you achieve your financial goals. Want to take your online earnings to the next level? It's not just about working harder, but also working smarter. By implementing a few key tactics, you can significantly boost your income without feeling overwhelmed. Here are a few simple strategies to maximize your efforts. Consistency is key. This means showing up every day, even if it's just for a short period. The more consistently you work on your online endeavors, the faster you'll see results. The more consistently you work on your online endeavors, the faster you'll see results. Consistency builds momentum, and momentum leads to progress. It's like planting seeds. The more you plant, the more you'll eventually harvest. Set aside even just 30 minutes a day to dedicate to your online hustle. This small daily commitment can lead to significant progress over time. Leverage social media. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube are gold mines for reaching a wider audience. These platforms offer incredible opportunities to connect with people who are interested in what you have to offer. Share your online ventures with your followers and watch your earnings soar. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and build a community around your brand. Provide value. Whatever method you choose, focus on providing value to your audience. This could be through informative blog posts, entertaining videos, or high-quality products. The key is to offer something that your audience finds valuable. Whether it's helpful information, entertaining content, or quality products, value is key to attracting and retaining customers. When people see the value in what you offer, they're more likely to support you and spread the word. Don't be afraid to experiment. The online world is constantly evolving, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Stay flexible and open to trying new things. The beauty of the online world is that there are endless possibilities. From different content formats to various marketing strategies, there's always something new to explore. Don't be afraid to try new things and find what works best for you. Experimentation can lead to unexpected successes and help you discover new passions. Remember, small steps lead to big results. Celebrate your progress no matter how small and keep pushing forward. Every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Section 6. The power of automation. Let technology work for you. Remember how we talked about laziness being a superpower? Well, automation is like your trusty sidekick, doing the hard work so you don't have to. There are countless tools and software available that can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time and energy. For example, email marketing services. Automate your email campaigns and nurture your audience without lifting a finger. Social media scheduling tools. Schedule your social media posts in advance and keep your accounts active even when you're not online. Chatbots. Provide instant customer service and answer common questions 24/7 with AI-powered chatbots. By embracing automation, you can work smarter, not harder, and watch your online empire grow effortlessly. Section 7. Overcoming challenges. Staying motivated on your journey. Let's be real. Building an online income stream won't always be smooth sailing. There will be bumps in the road, moments of doubt, and the dreaded temptation to throw in the towel. But here's the thing. Success loves persistence. The key is to stay motivated, even when things get tough. Here are a few tips. Set realistic goals. Start with small, achievable goals to build momentum and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Find your tribe. Connect with other online entrepreneurs for support, inspiration, and accountability. Celebrate your wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Every step forward is a reason to celebrate. Remember, you've got this. Section 8. Building a sustainable online business. Think long-term. While quick wins are great, it's important to think long-term when it comes to making money online. Quick wins can give you a boost, but they are often short-lived and can lead to burnout if you constantly chase them. Instead, focus on creating a solid foundation that will support your business for years to come. Instead of chasing the next shiny object, focus on building a sustainable business that will generate income for years to come. This means investing in your growth. Take the time to understand your market, your audience, and your own strengths and weaknesses. Never stop learning and improving your skills. Attend workshops, read books, and take online courses to stay ahead of the curve. The digital world is always evolving, and staying updated is crucial for long-term success. The more you know, the more valuable you become. Building an email list. Your email list is your most valuable asset. It allows you to communicate directly with your audience and build a relationship with them. Start building one from day one and nurture your subscribers with valuable content. Offer them insights, tips, and exclusive deals that they can't find anywhere else. This will help you build trust and loyalty. Diversifying your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Relying on a single source of income can be risky, especially in the volatile online world. Explore multiple income streams to create a more stable and sustainable business. This could include affiliate marketing, selling digital products, offering consulting services, or even creating a membership site. By diversifying, you protect yourself against market fluctuations and ensure a steady flow of income. By playing the long game, you'll set yourself up for lasting success in the ever-evolving online world. Remember, building a sustainable online business is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to adapt to changing circumstances. But with the right mindset and strategies, you'll be well on your way to achieving long-term success and financial freedom. Section 9. Embrace the future. Your journey to online success starts today, so there you have it. Making money online in 2025 doesn't have to be a distant dream. Whether you're lazy, ambitious, or a little bit of both, the internet offers endless opportunities to achieve financial freedom on your own terms. Embrace your inner entrepreneur, take action, and watch as the online world opens doors you never thought possible. Your journey to online success starts today.